Hey, Russ Evans here for the Under the Hood radio show, America's favorite car talk show, and I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life indicator on your 2012 Honda Odyssey. Start by turning the ignition switch to the run position without starting the vehicle. Then push your trip meter button until you see oil life there. Hold down the trip meter button, which I'm pushing with my finger here. About 10 seconds, you'll see it start to flash. And once you see it start to flash, you're going to release that button, push it again. You'll see that outside temp light flash, then the cancel, and then one more time, oil life. Push it again. It'll stop. Then you're going to release it. Hold it again until you see everything come back. There you go. Release. You're good to go. Shut the key off. Turn the key back on, start the car up, oil life 100%. There you go. Take care, and we'll see you under the hood. You can find our radio show on any podcast app, just about anywhere, or at underthehoodshow.com. Take care.